Hi guys, this is GIS and Remote Sensing Basic YouTube channel. If you're newly watching this channel, subscribe it for further videos. Today in this video, we are going to see the ArcGIS attribute table tricks for easy mapping. Okay, let's see it. I will open the ArcGIS. Okay, for this I have selected one village wise census information data for Tamil Nadu state in India. See, this is actually the village map in Tamil Nadu, India. This village map have contained the census information. See, the name indicates the villages, village names. Totally 17,538 villages are there in Tamil Nadu state. Okay. See, in this village shape file, the census informations are there. See the household informations, village wise, total population, total male population, total female population, population below 6 for male and female. All the informations are there, census informations are there in this attribute table. Okay. Using this attribute table, we are going to do the some tricks to map the census information very easily. Okay, before that I will explain how to select the table information very easily. See, actually these villages have total populations. Okay, but if you want to select only above 1000 population villages, okay, note it, above 1000 population villages, okay, in this total population, if you need to select that, you just select here. See, select by attributes. This is the option to select the field for your interest. See, actually all the titles of the columns are presented here. First we need to select the title of total population. See, TOTP, this is the title. See here, you select that title, double click on it, so it will automatically come here. Okay, now we need to select above 1000. Okay, see, this is the above symbol. You just select it and type it here 1000 and apply it. See, above 1000 population presented villages are selected. Okay, same way you can select below 1000 also, below or less than or equal, less than or equal 1000 villages. See, it is selected 0, 320, 863. Likewise, you can select it using select by attribute table. Not only population, you can use this method for all type of selecting process in attribute table. This is very useful for extracting above 1000 population villages. See, after selecting this, only the above 1000 villages are population villages are selected. Only above 1000 population villages. Okay. Next, you need to select. You need to use switch selection option. See here. Sorry, this one, switch selection. Using this, you can switch the selection. Okay. See, like this. Okay, now I unselect this. Okay, now we have 17,538 villages, right? For this villages, we need to calculate the area using attribute table. Okay, see, I am going to create one separate column for creating the area calculating the area calculation. You just add the field here. See, add field option is there. Area, I have named it in area, and select double option here. See, it is created. Now just right click on it and go to the calculate geometry option. See here, area calculation methods are areas, hectares, square diameter, square decimeters, square feet, square kilometer. All options are there. Now I am going to select square kilometer. Wait a minute. See, 67 square kilometer, 13 square kilometer, like that. All the villages have some square kilometers. So like this you can easily calculate the area using attribute table. Okay, now I am going to explain field calculator option. Okay, for this I am going to create one separate column like field. I roughly named it like a field. See, now I will explain how to use the field calculator. See, just right click on it on column. Here field calculator option is there. In that, all the field titles, see, these are all field titles, right? All the field titles are presented here. Okay, you can use this field calculator option for some calculation purpose. See, we know the total populations, right? See here, and male female population also there. So if you want to add the male and female population total, see here, male population, female population. See, 4183 is male population, 4292. This is one village male and female population. If we want to add this male and female population like that, not only population, if you need to add this column and this column, or if you need to multiply this column or this column, anything using field calculator, this is possible. Okay, see, I will show you an example. Here I am selecting male population. Just right click on it and add symbol, plus symbol is there, and select the female population. Just give OK. Okay, see, it is added. Like this you can multiply, add or divide anything. Okay, now using this same column I am going to create the population density. Okay, see, we have area. Density is created by total population divided by area. Okay, so we have steady area in square kilometer, and we have total population, right? Two things we have already. So using this same column I am going to create the population density values. For this I am going to select the total population divided by total steady area. This is our population density. See, per square kilometer in this village 645. populations are there per square kilometer. Like this, all the villages have some population density informations, okay, per square kilometer. Okay, now I am going to map this. See, go to the symbology and select the quantile option. Select the population density here. See, 0 to 2953, 2953 to 11,000 something. All are population density informations. I'm just selecting the quantile classification because it is using worldwide classification method. See, if we remove the outline width, we can get the clear view. Wait a minute. See, this is the population density map. See, this is the one important village in Tamil Nadu, important city in Tamil Nadu, like Coimbatore, and here Chennai. This one also the important city in Tamil Nadu. So here, see, you see the population density is higher. Okay. Now I am going to explain one join option. Join option in attribute table. For this, two shapefiles are needed. We can join the two shapefiles or one shapefile with Excel information. Now I am going to show you two different shapefile join information. Okay. See, this is Tamil Nadu Tamil Nadu state district map. See, this is the district map of Tamil Nadu. Here in this attribute table, we have the district names. See, this is the district names. But in this village information, we don't have any district name. Which villages fall in which district? That one we need to know. So for this, we need to join these two attribute table in a single attribute table. Okay. I am going to join this Tamil Nadu attribute table in this village census information data. Okay. Just right click on it, select join and relate option. Here you select the join option. Choose the layer to join this layer. So I am going to join this Tamil Nadu shapefile into this India village shapefile. So I am here selecting Tamil Nadu. Okay. This join option is not by attribute table, spatial location. I am going to join the table based on the spatial location. Okay. Select it and just give the OK. It's take a few minutes. Wait. It is completed. See, now open this attribute table. Here the first one attribute table villages have available. See, here the district names are joined. Wait a minute, I will go to the sending option. See, these are all the district names in a single attribute table. So both are joined. Okay. Likewise, you can join the attribute table in ArcGIS. Okay. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share this video. Thank you.